Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to create a stunning personal portfolio without graphic design skills? In this video, I will show you how to build a professional looking portfolio in Canva, totally free and beginner friendly. So, why use Canva for your portfolio? Canva makes it easy to design resumes, uh, portfolios, and presentations with zero design experience. It's drag and drop, has tons of templates, and perfect for designers, writers, developers, students, freelancers, and creatives. So now go to canva.com, log into your account or create a free account if you haven't already. In the search bar, type for portfolio, then enter. Choose a template or click create a blank document. Look for presentation styles or A4 layouts if you want to print. So choose one template from here and click customize this template. So pick one from here, then click customize this template. Now let's customize it page by page. Okay, in the first page, uh, enter your name. You can change the font style, text styles. Then I will choose horizon font and adjust the text like that and drag it like that. That's good. Now enter short bio here. With you can use Magic Write for premium. So you can add your image from uploads, then add your picture here, then just drag and drop it here. Look like that. So now click the page 2, then introduction yourself, about me, short intro, your background, skills, etc. Then add your sample, product sample there. Sorry, work samples. Upload project images, screenshots, add titles, short descriptions, etc. Then experiences like that, job roles, internships, freelance work, skills and tools. Use icons or charts to show tools you use. Testimonials optional. Add quotes from clients or teachers. Contact information like email, phone number, LinkedIn, or website. Use consistent colors and fonts from Canvas brand kit if you have one. Let's make it visually engaging. You can add images and icons. Use Canvas library. Go to elements, then search for icon, like website icon, like that. Clickable button, videos or GIFs for digital portfolios. Grids to keep layouts clean. Keep white space, avoid clutter, and make text readable. Resize the text. That click all, then increase the text size. Look like that. Simple as that. Once your portfolio is ready, you can export or share it. Click share button from the right side, right top right. Then click download. Choose PDF standard or PDF print paste for printing. Select one, then click download. You can also get a shareable link or embed on personal website. Just click on share, then see all, and click embed our website. Canva now allows you to host your portfolio as a Canva site for free. Want to make your portfolio unforgettable? Try this. Use a personal headshot, include client names or project goals. Look like that. Your team members, your missions, your favorite portfolio, like look like that. Easy, simple. Add a short video intro. Keep it short, 5 to 7 pages, like that. Customize per job client if needed. And that's how to make a personal portfolio in Canva, fast, clean, and ready to impress in 2025. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below what kind of portfolio you are creating, writing, design, coding. I would love to know. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.